lips chapped. I don't care. Sweetie. Y'all, my hair is laid, okay? My hair is laid. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. Welcome to another edition of Wiggy Wednesday. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my first impressions on this wig that I have on my head. It is from ElvaHairWigs. I found this site thanks to my cousin Tasha, so shout out to her. She had worked with this company before in the past, and then it kind of just popped back up on my timeline. I was like, okay, let me go ahead and try it. And guys, first of all, affordability. I can't even say that word. Affordability. Shut up. Affordability. There we go. It's cheap. Affordability is on point. This wig that I have on my head was $118, a little over $100. And then I had a $5 discount, so it was $113 altogether. So, yeah, I'm not mad at that price. Yeah, let me just go ahead and get into the specs of this wig. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and also smash on that notification bell so you don't miss any other upcoming Wiggy Wednesdays or any other awesome videos that we have on this channel. But let's go ahead and get into this first impression because I'm excited. So this is the packaging that the hair came in. Very, very cute. I'm loving this packaging. I'll probably end up keeping it and using it for something else. So it comes with these free eyelashes, hair net, and emery board, and also a pamphlet talking about the different hair that they have on their website. This is what the hair came in. So I will say straight out the pack, this hair does have like a chemically washed smell to it. Not like a bad smell, but it's not like flowers and roses or nothing. You know what I'm saying? So it does smell like it was like processed or something. But again, not bad. So this is a 13x6 frontal. It has the 2 clips in the middle. It also has a clip in the back with the adjustable straps. It also has the lace in the back, but I'm not wearing this up in a ponytail, I don't think. So I'll just cut that off and not have to worry about it. But yeah, again, 13x6 frontal, so parting from, well, not parting, but it has lace from ear to ear, and then it has 6-inch deep parting in the middle. So not bad at all. It looks a little thin to me. I don't know if that's just me. This is supposed to be 130 density, maybe just because I haven't washed it yet. So I'm going to go and wash it and see what happens. All right, guys, so I washed it, I let it air dry, and then I'm now brushing it out. I just did shampoo and conditioner and let it go. I did see a little bit of shedding while I was washing it, but nothing too crazy. As I'm brushing it, the hair is like breaking a little bit, but I feel like that's just like some of the processed hair that was kind of just tangled up into the tight curls that it came in, so it's kind of just breaking off. But I'm not seeing like super long strands of hair breaking off of this thing, so that's not bad. So it does get pretty big. So now I'm not too much worried about it being 130 density. This is perfect for me because if I probably would have got, or if they sold it in a bigger density, I probably would have been out of my element. But this wig only came in 130 density. So been about 10 minutes, I think. Oh, I look crazy. I can't find my 90% alcohol. I'm just going to use my 70%. And I'm going to saturate this cotton ball and gently tap it around my edges to make sure I get everything, all this excess like spray from off of there. Y'all know I like big hair, so the wet look is just not for me. However, I'm going to try it and see how I like it on the hair, since I did go in and brush it out. These sideburns are really long though, so I will more than likely next time go in and cut these up just a tad. Because they fit my ear really well, but the hair is just too much right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and cut that off. This is just some water and a little bit of conditioner. I'm dousing this baby in water. I want to make sure I give you guys the full effect of the wet look. But just look at how that curl just popped right back. It's very soft. Look at the hairline. Look at the hairline. Sweetie. Who checking for me? Who checking for me? 13x6 frontal. So there's even the parting is like natural. It's not like super straight, so it looks, you know, a little finicky, but come on, wig. Come on, wig. Hi, babies. Don't mind mommy. She's just having a moment. All right, guys. So this is the end of my first impressions. Y'all can see I'm having way too much fun with this hair. Like, girl or guy, like, look at this. For it to come pre-plucked like this, and I don't have to do anything, it looks super natural, in my opinion. Like, I'm always finicky about my hairlines because I can never get them right when I'm plucking them myself. So for it to come pre-plucked, I was kind of just like, we've heard pre-plucked before, and they still be looking weird on me. No, this actually looks really good. So, like, for real, they gonna get my coin again. They gonna get my coin again. And for me not to like, I've never tried the wet and go look, but okay. And if I put some styling mousse on this, or just some holding mousse or whatever, I can probably get this to kind of stay in this style. The hair is very, very soft. Like, oh my goodness, very soft. And the fact that I have enough, like, extra hair and lace to cut it off my ear. You guys know I'm a Jimmy Neutron family, you know, to the core, big head girl. So I need wigs to fit my head, and this actually fits my head perfectly. Like, even if I put this down the back, like stretching this down the back to where I want it to go, it's still like, it stretches really, really well, and it's very comfortable. It's not pulling on my front here. Like, me doing this is not pulling. Like, this is amazing. I'm just like, this is very, very comfortable to wear. I'm not like, oh, I didn't get this off because it's giving me a headache. No, it's not pulling. It's not anything. Like, this is bomb. I love this wig. I love this wig. I will be ordering from them again because I want to try out that body wave. I'm going to link all the specs for this unit down below. I'm also going to link their site. I will be on there again tonight shopping, probably buying 2 or 3 wigs, because this is just, girl, this is just, ooh-wee. You can't tell me nothing. Take me on vacation. I deserve to go to Bahamas after this just because I look good with no makeup on. I just look good. Lips chapped. I don't care. Because my hair is laid, okay? My hair is laid. Honey, child, boo-boo. All right, let me stop playing. All right, guys, so that concludes this Wiggy Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed this first impression video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Don't forget, I will leave all the deets for this wig and to the website in the description box, so make sure you read that. If you're new to the channel, or if you've just been visiting and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also smash on that notification bell so you don't miss any other Wiggy Wednesdays or videos that we have coming up on this channel. I appreciate all the love so far. Thanks for rocking with me last year. We're almost to a year, you guys. In March, it'll be a year on this channel. So again, thank you so much for all the support, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.